Here's this new Goodman heat pump. I think that has an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. This is a 4-ton from 2020. Has been running. Fortunately, I don't have my GoPro on me, so I can't get a startup of it today, but maybe another time. But yeah, this replaced a ream, I think, from 2008. Might get a defrost of this unit this coming winter. Looks like they also put in a new pad. Imagine this unit's pretty quiet when it runs. Don't know if they replaced the disconnect box or not. I don't remember if that's the original one. But yeah, new Goodman heat pump.